So now I'm going to show you some example solves with the F2L method. Okay, so now we're going to do two F2L example solves. The first one I'll do on the white cross, and then the next one I'll do on a different color cross. So I've been teaching you F2L on the white cross this whole time, but remember, if you want to be color neutral, you need to be able to solve it on any single color. So it's okay to start out learning just on the white cross, but eventually you'll want to be practicing it on different color crosses. After we solve our cross, we need to look for F2L pairs in the top layer. So that is a corner piece and its matching edge piece. The first one that we see here is this corner piece and this edge piece. And they're already in the top layer and they're already split up. So our number 2 and number 3 steps are already complete. So to solve this pair, we firstly hide the corner like so, remembering to turn the side with the white sticker on it of that corner to hide it. So we hide it like this instead of hiding it like this. So hide it like this into the bottom layer. Then we need to bring this edge over here, because then if we move this corner back up, the two orange stickers will match. So we hide this corner piece down here, its corresponding edges over here. Use the top layer to turn it, and then unhide this corner. Now we have this paired up F2L pair. So this pair belongs over here. So what we do now is lift up the slot, rotate it in, and then bring it back down. And now we've solved our first F2L pair. So let's have a look around the top for another F2L pair. So we see we have this corner, which is the white, blue and red corner. So we need to look for the blue and red edge, which belongs here. And this corner belongs down here. So the blue and red edge is over here. Now here we have the first F2L case where the two stickers on top are different to one another. So now we need to think whether we have the right case or the left case. So if we have the right case, we do R, U, R prime, which did actually bring this corner into this slot and this edge down here, but they're both incorrect. Here we have the left case where the sticker is facing to the left here, and to insert this corner down into the bottom, we do L prime, U prime, L, like that. The only thing remaining is to get this edge piece over to here, so that when we do that, it pairs them up and then brings it down. So because this F2L slot back here is free, we can hide the corner like this down in the bottom layer, bring this edge over to here, and then unhide the corner like that. Now all we need to do is simply insert this pair. Like that. And now we've solved our second F2L pair. Let's have another look around on the top layer to see if we can find another F2L pair. And again, we have this corner and this edge here. So they belong in this position down here, but we have the case where they are paired up next to one another. So they're connected, but they're not correctly solved. So we need to hide this corner. If we hide this corner like this, then this F2L pair comes out into the top layer, the one we've already solved. So we can't do it like that. So we need to firstly rotate the top face over to here. So now we can hide this corner piece down in the bottom layer, bringing this slot back here, this empty slot, into the top layer. So it doesn't matter what happens to these pieces. Then we use our top layer to move this edge across, and then bring the corner back up into the top layer. So now we have the case where the two stickers on top are different to one another. Here we have the lefty case, and this edge is already correctly positioned back here, so we don't need to hide this again and correctly position the edge, because after we split it up, this edge already ended up over here. So to insert this pair, we do an L prime to join it up, U prime to bring it across, and then L to put it back down. The last F2L pair that we need to solve is back here. So we have the corner up here, and its corresponding edge is already solved, so we'll need to take it out by doing R, U, R prime. Once we've done that, we need to check which case we have, and again we have the case where the two stickers on top are different to one another. So we move the corner on top of where it needs to be, and we see again that this edge is already in this correct back position, so all that we need to do to solve this F2L pair is do R, U, R prime. And now our entire first two layers are solved. So this time we've solved the cross on the green side, so we need to look for green F2L pairs. And we have this corner with the green sticker on it, so this is the green, the orange and the white corner. And the edge that goes along with it is this orange and white edge. So they belong down here, in this slot between the green, orange and white centers here. But here we have a case where they are connected to one another but they're not correctly solved. So what we need to do is hide the corner, move the edge away, and then unhide the corner to split up those two pieces. So here we have the second F2L case where the stickers on top are matching. So these two orange stickers are matching. So to pair up these two pieces, we need to hide the corner in the bottom layer. Remembering that green is our cross color, we turn the side with the green sticker on it to hide this corner piece, like that. So this piece is hidden down here now. We can bring this edge over here and then unhide the corner. Now we have a solved F2L pair. All that we need to do is put it into its slot by bringing it up, across, and then down. The next F2L pair that we're going to solve is this corner and this edge, which belong in this slot here. So now we have the third F2L case where the sticker of our cross color, green, is facing upwards. So remember what we do here is we match this sticker, which is on the outside, up with the corresponding centerpiece. So this is the edge that we want to solve, and we need to match the sticker up here like that. We hide it away from the slot. So if our slot's here, we hide this edge piece away, remembering that we hide the edge piece in this F2L case, not the corner piece. Then we bring this corner on top of this edge piece, like that. Bring it back down, and now our F2L pair is paired up. So you bring up the slot, move it across, and bring it back down. The next F2L pair that we're going to solve is this corner and this edge. There are no more middle layer edges in our top layer, so what we'll need to do is bring this edge out into the top layer by doing R, U, R prime. And now we have the case where the stickers on our top layer of the corner and edge that we want to solve are the same. So we need to hide this corner and pair it up with this edge. If we hide it down here like this and move the edge across and then unhide it, the corner and edge pair is not correctly solved. So let's undo that. If we hide this corner by doing an L and bringing it down there, then we're going to mess up this pair in the back. So we can't do that either. So we need to rotate the top layer so that when we hide the corner away into the bottom layer, we're bringing up an F2L slot that isn't already solved. So here, we can hide this corner in the bottom layer, bring the edge across, bring the corner down so that the F2L pair is now matched up, do a U2, and we see that we've got this F2L pair here, bring the slot up, move it across, and bring the slot back down like that. So the last F2L pair that we're going to solve involves solving this corner and this edge piece right here. So again, we have the edge piece in the middle layer, so we can take it out by doing R, U, R prime. And luckily in this last case, our F2L pair is already paired up. So the corner is here and the edge is here, and these two sticker pairs are matching. So to put this pair down here, we simply do our left insert like that.